Hi everyone, just thought I would show a few procedures I developed over the last week or two. This is a morning startup procedure. Basically just some pictures and what I do from the moment I walk in the door, such as turn on the lights in one room, shovel if there's any snow, which hopefully we don't have any more of that in Buffalo. But do that then as I have my coat and gloves and boots on and stuff. Then go out and get anything else out of the car. Put my lunch away, my jacket away, my keys away. All these things are done in this order to minimize steps. Put on my boots, turn on any other lights, then start going around to my machines, checking some maintenance sort of things. Turn on the air compressor, check the water drain from the air compressor that I need to someday just automate. So that's some things there that I have done. I have changed and added things to this procedure over the last week or two, and I started doing a nighttime procedure. This one a little harder to read because I got it in the protective cover, but get the idea. Check and make sure there's enough wire on each machine to run overnight. Turn off any machines, put them in energy save mode, thanks to the high cost of electricity now. Turn off some lights. Decided for turning off the compressor that night. Take my stuff home and put the morning procedure by the front door so it's right there where I need it when I walk in. At home, I've done many different things, but one of the things this weekend, I had to take my son's bike to get a little repair done on it. And we had gotten a hitch in this bike rack that you see I have mounted on the back wall, nicely mounted with everything I need to do the job. Well, this weekend I ended up describing the procedures on how to install the bike rack onto the car, putting the bolt in from the left side. I was able to do all this while putting it on myself and taking a few moments to snap some pictures and such. And it was really pretty easy to do. After I did it, I include here that when you're done, to put the key and the wrench in the driver's door in case you're taking it somewhere and you need to take something off, or obviously you need the key to get the bike off. And then a little note here, just edited this right in GembaDocs, that you can't open up the back hatch with the bike rack up, but then showing how to do it. Take out the pin and it can fold down and you can get in the back hatch if you need to. And then also I made a removing the bike rack. I got this one in protective cover. I learned that they had the ability to have these little nice neat arrows instead of just a hand-drawn arrow. So I added that into some of these. I show the direction that the wrench should be turned for those that are not totally mechanically inclined in my house. And taking it on out, putting the bolt back in and the pin in, and then finally putting it on back on the back wall. So those are a few procedures I did in the last couple of weeks. Hope you enjoyed.